Hi, my name is Laura Meier-Schmitz with Mulberry Business Solutions. Today, I want to talk about how it feels when you're doing the accounting work for your business. And overall, what my clients and people I talk to say about their accounting is that they feel confused and overwhelmed. It's incredible just how much of a struggle this really is for so many small business owners. And in fact, a lot of times they don't even feel comfortable sharing it with a lot of other people because they don't want people to know that they feel insecure about this element of their business. Part of what makes them feel like they're doing a good job in their business is expressing that confidence in themselves and their work, and to draw back the curtain and show somebody that there's an element of their business that they aren't as confident about is a really difficult step. So let's talk about what it means to make that shift and why I love doing it. I love offering my VIP Accounting Overhaul in a day. And the reason I love it is because it takes somebody instantly from that overwhelmed and stressed and confused place of, I don't understand how to do this. I don't know if I recorded that right. What if I'm missing something? What if I messed it all up? Oh my gosh, I'm months behind and I don't even remember what I spent that money on. All of those problems and pain points, in one day I can make that shift so that we're being really thoughtful about what elements of information have value to you and can help you make great decisions. We're being thoughtful about what is the whole environment of how you operate your business so that we set up a process that speaks to those other variables. For instance, if you use a specific CRM or if you use a specific merchant account, we want to be thoughtful about how we take the data from the one place and bring it into your accounting records and to make that as seamless as possible while giving you the most impactful, valuable data points as possible at the same time. So we want to find the right balance there. And we also take great care on crafting a chart of accounts that doesn't read like a confusing statistic list, but is rather more about telling the tale of your business. So trying to be cognizant of how you think about questions about your business and managing it so that we put these items in an order that reflects that. If we're thinking about what is our staffing situation and our labor costs, we'd want to cluster all of those expense elements, whether it's training, whether it's staff appreciation, whether it's wages, whether it's benefits. We want to cluster it together so that as you're reading it, it doesn't just blurt bits of data at you, it actually tells you a tale of how your business is doing. And the same for things like if you have a physical space, and then we're looking at utilities and maintenance and repairs and all of the elements of having that physical space. It makes sense that they should be clustered together because when you see one of them, you have questions about the related expenses. So it is about taking that time to craft a system and a process that's going to give you the best information and the best results. And my favorite thing is that it all happens in one day. You don't have to hand over all of your private data and just wait and see when I might work on it. You know that I'm working on it that day. I'm doing it with your feedback and consideration. We're working through these processes together so it's the best reflection of your needs. And by the end of that day, we have a game plan for how to go forward and keep excellent records for your business every single day. And that answer of how a business should go forward is really variable. It depends on exactly what that owner's need is, but we find that and we work out the plan together so that you know exactly how it's going to go forward. And in the end, you lose that frustration. You are relieved from your overwhelm, your confusion, and the time sucks of losing so much time trying to sit down and do work that feels like it's not intuitive, like it doesn't make sense to you. We bring it into a place where if you're doing work on it, it is crystal clear to you how you need to do each step and what value it's bringing you as a result. Hopefully this helps you set some goals and intentions for how your accounting records should be. And if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to chat and see if I can give you a few tips that might help you, or discover if a VIP Accounting Overhaul is going to be exactly what you need to feel great in just one day. Thank you. Bye.